Yeah. Heck, man. American pickers ain't got nothing on me, man. Hello, all my fellow junkers. Today, and it's blue, crystal blue sky. Look at that. It's got one airplane. And it's supposed to be, I think, 74 or something today. It's supposed to be. Right now it's a little bit chilly, man. Probably about 36 or something. You know, now that the sun's coming up. It's been chilly all morning. I actually did have a fire this morning. We didn't, I didn't even have a fire. Freaking Jake brakes, man. It's not what they're for. Anyway, that idiot. It's going around. Jeez, driving me nuts. Well, I don't even know what to say, man. I'm all distracted. Today. Oh, it's supposed to be 74 something today. And then, last night I didn't even have a fire all day yesterday. I went fishing yesterday, and some metal detecting. And then, of course, I got home and got pictures from some buddies that were down at CJ Strike, which is a long ways for me, but down at CJ Strike that was hammering the crappie. And then I got some pictures from some other buddies that were, two different guys, and I weren't together. And one caught 2 steelhead, and one caught 1 steelhead yesterday. And of course, I'm on Brownlee. What the heck is wrong with you, man? We're going steelhead fishing soon. so then the fishing will probably turn on at Brownlee. Anyway, today I'm going to come out here and start. I'm not sure. I'm wanting to work on the trailer today. And then I've got pallets, and all this stuff. I got crap everywhere. So all this has got to be, that's them filing cabinets and everything. And then here, probably a couple hours, but I'll be getting a phone call. We're going out to pick up another load of stuff. So I need to finish cleaning out my truck too. So much to do, so much to do. And what do I really want to be doing? Fishing. So I'm going to figure out what I'm doing. Actually, right now I'm going to go and drink a little bit more coffee. And then I think we'll come out and I'm wanting to tear that thing out today for sure. And I need to get my truck all cleaned out and ready for, got all kinds of stuff going on, man. They're all stripped. They're all stripped. Probably the particle board's probably all rotted out. I guess I gotta see on that piece. And just rip it out, man. Kind of see. I had that window covered, man. It's bright right now. Then when I rip this counter out, I ain't really going to be able to cover that unless I screw something over it. Name for Mike doing it. Actually, I don't know why I'm stacking the crap there. I'm hauling it all outside. Scrap. And then these grates are stuff for the stovetop, man, are always good, handy to keep around just in case. Funky pancake job, let me tell you. Anyway, man, I gotta move this camper because it's right in my way, but there's a couple of hinges and poles that I want to get off this, and then I'll save the I'm going to save the faucet, the hand pump faucet. This thing's got a few dings in it, so I'll probably save it. And there's copper tubing down there. For the most part, I'm going to pull that fridge out, and then I'm just going to smack this thing apart. Alright, so we got some copper tubing that runs down into the floor. Got some bigger copper tubing. Got to get that hose off that. It runs down through the floor, so I'll get underneath and check that out. See where it hooks up to so I can unconnect the other side. This here has got brass, so I'll cut it off, get the brass so that it's separate. And then on the other side of this wood stove, jeez, man. On the other side of this stove, there are some brass fittings that if it doesn't take too long to pull them off, then I'll do it. But man, when it, you start at it every time, tearing, especially like brass and crap apart. I'm a lot more going for I like my copper. And hear it running. So I'm gonna clean this thing, get all this crap cleaned out of here, and then get it swept out. But I'm gonna pull the plug in out here, and we'll see if this thing is if it works, man. Whether it be a shop fridge or sell it at the dang junk sale for 20 bucks. So we'll find out if it's salvageable or not. Alright, it's got a couple pictures. This is some tubing for mining, gold mining, dredge. Got chunks for firewood, shelf. I believe that's a shelf. I got this nice desk that I'm actually going to change. I had a desk I was going to put in the trading post, but I'm actually going to switch it to this desk, man. This thing was his dad's, solid oak. Got a pegboard and whiteboard. Some more racks back there, man. I got all the hardware for those. Another filing cabinet. Some house wrap. Let's see, man, what else I got here? And there's a bunch of stuff, man. We stuffed a bunch of crap. I don't even remember what underneath it. The desk there's got a bunch of stuff underneath. You can see what this dude's been up to for the last couple hours. And then I got to go back and get another load tomorrow. So just hauling junk. This I'll check out and see what the what it's going for, man. He said he'd paid like $300 for this dredge pipe, so you know, most of the stuff probably end up using myself, and if not, one of the kids. So it's not all, you know, just like I said in the last one, man. It's not all about the money. It's all about the, you know, the things you can get for free and use in your own life too, man. So that's it. that's all we got today. Not much of a resale video, but it's still a junker's life. So remember, keep your eye on the skyline, your nose to the wind. And if you're out there treasure hunting, hope you find some color in the bottom of your pan. Peace!